Hello guys, welcome to another video of SAP ABAP. And in the previous video, we have seen internal table. Now in this video, we will see internal table operations. And internal table operation, just like the database table, whatever we have seen, we have read, modify, delete, append. Here the syntax of each: read table LT data into the work area, internal table to work area. Like we discussed, from internal table to work area we will transfer the data, and then modify internal table from work area, transporting the whatever we want to modify, where from where condition, which record we need to update. Then we need to then the other one, delete table name, where 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 EID equal 1, and then finally append LS data into LT data. That means work area data will be appended to the internal table. Then database operations, internal table operations are both are not same, but their functionality almost similar. So when we come to database operations, we have insert, update, delete, and select. So here the syntax will change when it compares to the normal database. So select query, select fields into table name from from tab, where uh, that means external into the table, whatever table we need to display the into the work area, we are selecting into the work area, that is into table ex tab, from the table where key equal to value, that means whatever we need to. Then insert query, insert tab 1 from tab 2. Then update table, set field to equal to value where main key. Then from delete the particular field from tab. We think we can ensure the where condition as well. Then we have one important topic, that is classical report. In classical reports are nothing but they are used to make the report uh, more what more detailed, for more detailing purposes. In the classical report we have six elements. First one is initialization at selection screen, start of selection, end of selection, top of page, end of page. And we will see everything in one program. And we have interactive classical report. In interactive classical report, we have set pf status at user command. And then we have one simple example program. At first go to the SC38T code, then give any name to it, then select executable program, uh, then write the code, save, check, activate, and finally execute. This is the procedure. At first we will go to the code. Here in classical report we have the tables, just like in the previous one. We need to define which table we want to use. Tables, VBAK. Then we have types. That means we are declaring the internal table. Declare the internal table with data types, and then data. Here we will declare the internal table with work area. And now let come. We need to take input, right? So we are selecting SVBLN for VBAK, VBELN. That means we are selecting the whatever IDs we want in a range from through select options and parameters. The main difference between select options and parameters is that select options will select a value in range, that means 1 to 10, 2 to 10, whatever range you want. But when it comes to parameters, it will take only one value. So parameters we are taking two. And then come to the initialization part. From here onwards, classical report starts. Classical report first stage is initialization, where we are setting one data type as one particular value. See, while giving input you can't change this value, and it will come like that. Before entering anything, it will display. We are giving the date as year, month and date. And next, at selection screen is nothing but it is just like a if else condition. What we are saying that if the document type is not equal to C, then show one error message. We will discuss about error message in the upcoming videos. So we are making if condition. If it is not equal to C, enter valid document type E. Here E is nothing but error message. And then we have start of selection. From here onwards our main program starts. Just like the previous select query, select the fields from table. Okay, here it is good. From table into the internal table, where condition, we have three where conditions. And here er date equal to pr date, document equal to p document type. That means for parameters we are writing equal to, but select options we need to write in. Here you can see where vbln in svbln. That means in select options we are searching in range, so we need to write in. For parameters we are selecting simple value, so we are selecting single value, so we are comparing with only one. Then we can loop the data, loop at internal table into work area, then write. Here we can print the every field by using the work area hyphen the field. Then set pf state. Here before this end of selection gives one final message. Top of page, at the top of page we can display one message. So we're displaying page number. End of page, we can display one message at end of page. At every page we're displaying page number. Then this is the classical report. Interactive classical report is nothing but whenever you add set pf status get test at user command, when you add these both, that becomes interactive classical report. Set pf status get test is nothing but here you declare the button or function whatever you want. Once you declare that, you write at user command. Below the user command you write the functionality of it. At user command we are writing, but currently we are writing sort internal table by this field descending order. Then loop at internal table into work area, then write. Then after descending we are displaying the output of the table. That's it. This is about the classical report and interactive classical report. So this is to left in this video. We will see more in upcoming video. Thank you.